All right, let's get started. First, I went ahead and made up the corner boards and some little trim pieces that needed to go on the corners here. So this is just a little piece that'll tie in, that'll close the gap up between the wall and the corner trim pieces. So we just tacked these in place, held the corner trim up there, marked the line, and then just using a staple gun, put them in place. And then these corners are only stapled to one wall. They're not stapled to both walls. So if you need, like I said, when you need to take it apart, you just let the screws out, unscrew it, and the whole thing comes apart. But after seeing how this is installed and it's not that heavy, I'm toying with the idea of maybe putting some hinges on the back and just tilt the whole roof over. It's not that bad. I'm very easily can tilt it up. So here I'm showing you to get done with painting. To help pass the time, get your Pandora app or your favorite music app, and your favorite earbud or earphones. I prefer, the over the muff kind, so I use the 3M, but everybody uses something different, isotunes or something like that. They're all very good. So, and then you just paint, and it's more painting and painting and painting. And like I said, I hate painting with a brush. So, if I'd have had to do it over again, my wife wanted gray. I should have went ahead and just got gray metal and done it, but I was thinking in the future. So the shop's going to be green and black. So I said, well, I'll just put plywood on it now, and then when it needs to be repainted, maybe I can just talk her into the green metal then. So either way, so in the meantime, we have to paint. So I was going to paint this gray, but I figured, I said, let me put white on it and just see how the contrast looks. And I think I like white better up at the top. It just blends more contrast. I thought it would be too much gray, so that's why we went with white. My wife said she wanted gray for sure, so when she got home she really liked this better, so we stuck with this. And the only other thing that I might do, where the ends of the 2x4s come for the stripping, where the metal is attached to, I might put another 1.5 inch trim board up there. I'm not quite sure at this point. I kind of like the way it looks now, but we'll see. If it keeps on drawing my eye to it, then I'll definitely change it. So just going around painting all the fascia boards, the trim pieces, and the gables, and that was it. And like I said, I'm not a good painter, so the drips are going to happen. So I just let it drip on the gray, and then I just went back and touched it up. So, but overall, I think the project turned out very well. And definitely something anybody can do. So I think that's it. Project well worth doing. Well, that's it. Painting's done, or pretty much. Got to touch up the part of the gray where I dripped white on it, but other than that, it's done. So one more project in the books, and I think that's it for now. So it's a beautiful day in North Carolina. Finally the heat broke, so we're out here finishing this up, and all I got to do is paint the back and touch up the front, and we're done. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Until the next time, see ya.